It is Christmas in the borough of Brooklyn. That means it is the day to stroll 84th Street. And this is a rather iconic block for the borough, as 84th Street is where the Dyker Heights Christmas Lights started back in 1986. And this is a December 17th walk down the block, and you cannot pick a wrong block to be on. The homes are all lit up, and it brings the community together, and that's the joy of the Dyker Heights Christmas Lights. Is there's no official lighting, there's no official visit BKNY. This is the heart and soul of the community that loves the holiday, and they do not get a discount on their lighting bill for doing so. And you can see it brings the community out. And what I love is on a warm day, you'll see the residents coming out of their own homes, cup of hot chocolate, saying hello to each other during the cold season. Love it. Now you can't pick a bad block when it comes to strolling Dyker Heights. The reason I chose 84th Street is it is the home of Lucy Spata, who started this tradition back in 1986. And that's just a bit of a preview strolling the Dyker Heights Christmas Lights of Brooklyn. Till next time, buon Natale.